ZCAR Stock Analysis Update. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. ZCAR Holdings sitting at, what is it, like 16 cents. Yeah, it is up like 33% for the day. And I myself personally am not surprised. Like, I'm not really that crazy into this. Like, I'm not optimist at all. Like, all I'm using is just my strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, 2024, which I've documented everything right. So with ZCAR Holdings, this is how this was looking like previously, and this is why I have the link there, because that's the proof, you know. And I just moved it to the side because it was in the way. But nonetheless, like, still want to see it take lower, like to 13 cents. Anything else, noise. Wouldn't do it. Like, wouldn't entertain the idea at all. So yeah, man, like, because I've seen a pattern, like, this is pattern recognition stuff, you know. So just my opinion, not financial advice, do your due diligence. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the photos link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars.